it isn't really fair that that a website that hasn't been around forever can now outrank like websites that have been around for ages.
SEOscience.com.
One of the interesting things about this update as well is that it targeted expired domain abuse, which is interesting because I've been around for quite a while in the SEO world, and this was a practice that my managers and bosses have tried before, where they like purchase a website that used to rank really highly and then repurpose it and like use basically whatever's left of it, like the skeleton, to try to like get back into the rankings, but with like a completely new, either fresh coat of paint on the same kind of topic, or like a completely different approach, like, or like a different domain name or things like that, but trying to use that high domain authority in the links that came to it once upon a time, which Google is now penalizing, which is good, because again, it isn't really fair that that a website that hasn't been around forever can now outrank like websites that have been around for ages publishing content.
SEOscience.com.